Full door handle wrap installation. Here's what you'll need. All the essentials you'll need is including the kit: cleaning wipes, a squeegee, and door handle wraps. First step is to ensure the door handle is clean and dry. Rip open the cleaning wipe and ensure the door handle is removed of any dust, dirt, and oils. And of course, don't forget the top and the back side of the handle. Let's get on to wrapping. Peel the backing off the side of the door handle where you push in. Once peeled, line up the bottom left corner using the groove as a guideline. Note where the arrow points to in the video. The right side should align perfectly. Once aligned, lightly push on the vinyl onto the door handle. After anchoring the vinyl, use a squeegee to get around the edges. After the edges are tucked, remove the rest of the backing paper to start setting the vinyl onto the front surface of the handle. Now, let's work on the bottom. Tuck the bottom piece of the vinyl to the bottom of the door handle. The next step is to press the bottom corner edge of the door handle. You'll see 2 microcuts you need to press into the corner. These microcuts are designed to help lessen creases. Use the arrows in the video as a guideline to ensure you're pressing on the right microcut. Now that you've covered the bottom, let's work on the top. Fold over the top side of the vinyl and wrap it all around the back of the handle. Tug lightly on the vinyl to ensure it covers and wraps the back side of the handle smoothly. Don't forget to press on the inner corner of the door handle. Next, fold down the microcut located on the top edge of the corner. Once the top section is done, pull the remaining flap gently and wrap it around the curved edges of the door handle. Congratulations, you're almost done. Now, if you want to smoothen the edges, we recommend using a heat gun or hairdryer on low settings. After lightly heating the door handle, run your fingers across the corners to smooth it out. That's a wrap. With the same process, continue wrapping the rest of your door handles. For other resources and tips, visit us at teslabros.com.